to dance. At bent on the corner of the room will everyone else enjoying the ensolvent dance floor? Avant even coming up ta will require you to step out to the beat? If a little crazy of confidence or some uncertainty about to movie keeping you from joining the fun, look no further article for why you need to know to spin, step on the route tonight away in style. Freestyle. Bob you read. Star beyond understanding at a beat in your to jet out music. If it help, coin 1, 2, 3, 4 in your read. Try to pick out the rhythm to bamba oblique artist using for team, it can be steady beat from the drum, or from the bass. Shift your weight. Shift all of your weight to one foot. You can lift to the foot slightly off the ground to make sure all your weight off of it. À every coup 1, preferably 1 to 3, shift your weight completely to the foot. You can also shift your weight à every single coup 1, but starting out slowly will help you get comfortable before you begin dancing fast. Keep your leg loose and bend your knee slightly, there should be just a little bit of bounce to your weight shift, and a subtle bounce, in place, on the coin when you are shifting your weight well. Move your feet. Once you're shifting your weight to rhythm, begin moving your feet. Right before you shift your weight to a foot, move it slightly, even just on a short walk from where to a before. When you move your foot, keep it fairly close to the ground. If you're dancing with someone else, be sure to move around in a way to accommodate your partner without stepping on him or her. Add the some hip action. When you put your weight on a foot, move your hip, and your body, slightly in the direction of the foot. If you shift your weight onto your right foot, for example, move your hip to the right. You can twist your body slightly to add a little more movement. For example, when you move to the right, put your right shoulder forward a little and left shoulder back vice versa for when you move to the left. Move your arm. If you're uncomfortable, the tendency to keep your arm closer to let him limp. Instead, move your arm around. Keep your arm open or in very close fist. You can put your arm in or 90 degree angles at your side, like when you run in your trion of the arm move listed below. Whatever you do, don't get stuck on just on move, keep switching it up. Roll to 10. Make a loose fist and shake your arm and you are shaking a pair of 10 for a roll. After a shake, roll to 10. Don't overestimate to the point à it become comical. More commonly used by men. Mot alone. Bend forward and witten and grasp the starter of an imaginary lone moe. Pull your arm back at your pulling on the string to start moe. Once you get it going, you can take a few steps while you mot alone. The move require a certain amount of confidence to pull off, but it allows often can bring a similar allow to those dancing around you. More commonly used by men. Swing en air lasso. Grab an imaginary lasso and swing it above your head to your boot or opaco. Shift your weight to the foot opposite your lasso and trust your hip in that direction. More commonly used by men. Pump your fist. Make a fist and make a pumping motion overhead in a celebratory fashion. Best used when attending a concert. Style. Natural impulse should be followed when dancing freestyle. Easy to feel like you only go down move, but more you feel the rhythm the more natural the motion will come out. Listening to subtlety in music will also help to train your body to move. Most importantly, be creative. Creating your own dance move easy with confidence and understanding of your body. Dressing to dance. Put on your bougiche. Ose show with a flexible, tinsel forte dance floor. Stay away from platforms, static selon elle make it difficult to felt floor. Be sûr, to, tie your feet secure in your backless sandal are best let home. Don't over sneaker or rotation with rubber or sticky sole orb prepared to pick up your feet. à best, you'll risk looking a bit jerky in your movement, worst you may find yourself with a twist d'ankle or tweaked out knee. Make sure you can move. Tight satin might look, en fel, grea, but it could inhibit your movement dans ce floor, en œuvrant move could leave you with an embarrassing rip. Stay away, though, from top or shirt a filo in thermal, te make it harder to move. Try on your outfit at home to be sure you can dance with ease. Be prepared for the heat. If you tend to perspire, ose garment made of natural fiber. Tank top en halte top can look grea, but sweat your clammis can could blature off if a partner ask you to dance. Drop a pack of moist toilet en a traverses the pod in your pocket so you can freshen up when needed. Tip. It help to learn to dance to your favorite music, especially if you memorize en signalant toute lyrique. You'll know to anticipate change in song and change your dance move accordingly, and you'll have more fun with music you enjoy. Most people don't know about dancing it. You have to enjoy the music when you're dancing to make it more extravagant. Dancing involves feeling the beat, feeling the music. Live it, love it, learn it. You ne juste jet ton stage en start to move felt rhythm love the rhythm enjoy it. When you go out, remember you are there to have fun so everyone else. No one is judging you on how you dance, but if they are te probably are the sort of people or te worrying about. If yourself esteem low, your body language will reflect it, so go out te rend have fun. Watch tes danseurs. If you're no sure how to dance to a song, take your cue from tes danseurs. You don't want to copy them exactly, unless a standardized dance, but you can get some idea. Jet à danser rien to help you learn a dance move. For most people, watching their dot samit ke. Just jet someone who know what they are doing to show you, then if you just follow sincerely, you can surely get it in temps of the day with a little bit of practice every night. Bring a frien whoi a terrible danser bu juste 2 et un quart. You'll feel less self-conscious away, en ser confidence might rub off on you. Remember to keep your dancing speed with the tempo of the song you are dancing to. Don't worry about what people say when you are dancing have fun. Smile and look like you're having fun. No showing an emotion show that you don't know why you're doing and you're no very comfortable with it. Invite a friend over and make your own dance to a song. It will make you more confident when you are in a position where you have to dance. Warning. Don't overexert yourself for trying a dance move that you are comfortable with and have practiced extensively already. Good dancer make arm move look easy, don't be fooled. You rally can pull a muscle or trip en fall, especially if you're viril. You can look good dancing with two doing and off the fancy stuff. If you use an older movie to pick up some move, you use your dance move a little out of style for nightlife use. Keep in mind, if you love a particular era of dance to a ton of club that you can join to dance with like me and a people. If are going out on the ton on your nervous about a club outing, try watching some YouTube video. Learn some basic move and then just have fun with it.